Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Squarespace. Manage website content step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type Squarespace, come into the address bar, and press enter. Click the login button at the top right of the Squarespace homepage. Choose your login method, such as email and password, Google, or Apple, depending on how you created your account. If you use email and password, enter your Squarespace account email address carefully. Enter your password and make sure caps lock is not accidentally turned on. Click Login to access your Squarespace account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. After logging in, you will see a list of your sites in the Squarespace dashboard. Click the website you want to manage to open its main dashboard. Look at the left side menu and find the website section for editing tools. Click Pages to view your site's page list and navigation structure. Select a page name to open its editing panel and adjust its settings. To edit the content on a page, click the page and then click Edit on the site preview. Hover over the area you want to change and click the pencil icon to edit blocks. Click Add Block to insert new content like text, images, buttons, or forms. Click on a text block and type your new text, then use the formatting toolbar to style it. Click on an image block, upload a new image, and add alt text for accessibility and SEO. Drag and drop blocks to reorder sections and improve the layout. Use spacers and separators to control spacing and visual structure. Click the Save button frequently to avoid losing changes. Click Done when you finish editing the page to exit the editor view. Go back to Pages to add a new page by clicking the plus icon. Choose the page type you need, such as blank page, blog, store, or portfolio. To manage blog posts, click Blog Pages. Open your blog and click New Post. To update site-wide design, click Design and adjust fonts, colors, and styles. To manage basic settings like site title, domain, and language, click Settings and review each option carefully. Preview your site changes on desktop and mobile using the preview controls before publishing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.